We all know why you're here. You want to see the real that's in this update, right? Duh. Let me tell you something, my friend. DJI has gone ballistic with this update. Wait till I show you. Just let. Watch out for that pole. 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 First, let's talk about this zoom. You got the wide mode, which is the regular mode. This shows you, well, a nice wide view. This is what we've been filming in all the time, right? But look at how things get real here. See, wide view, wide zoom. Now, when you go to 4K zoom, look at that. Bam, it punches in already. And you're only on 1x zoom. You have not gone to 2x yet. So when you go to 2x, bam, it gets even more ridiculous. Now, can I see some degradation in the video? Let me tell you something. If you're flying as a hobbyist, you ain't gonna notice much. The 1x zoom, I really can't even tell the difference between this and the regular 4K wide view. I can't. Now this truck is taking off. Watch what I'm gonna do, right? Let's go into the zoom view. Let's go into zoom view. I'm gonna go up high because like 100 feet or so, right? Because I don't want to hit anything. Look, this truck turning around. Let's draw a box around this truck. Let's go 2K zoom. Oh, let's see if we could draw a box around this truck and track it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Active track. Go. Oh, you could trace the truck in 2. So active track still works. Get this. I'm going to jump into POI, switch the direction to left and right and just hit go. Bam. Let's go up higher. Right? That's the beauty with this. You could adjust the altitude while you're flying, my friend, because we don't know if any trees or anything are wrong, right? But I know there's no tree around 160. Check that out. Switch direction. Oh, let's go the other way. Because we just nice like that. And bear in mind, this is in 2x zoom. This is in 2x. Let me see if it's gonna lose track if I zoom out. Oh, what a and it's holding track. Let me tell you something. This update is a game changer. When I tell you excitement, you think you've seen anything yet? You haven't seen nothing yet. Let's stop. Check this out. I'm gonna go into settings in the top right over here. I'm gonna switch the gimbal mode from follow to FPV mode. Now I know what you're thinking. We know about FPV, right? When you go right and left, the camera tilts. Not this time, my buddy. It's been optimized. What do they mean by optimized? Well, let X show you what's optimized. Check out what happens when you go with 2 sticks. Bam! Ooh, and because you're in the 2K version, oh! So 1 stick doesn't do anything anymore like it used to. You have to go with 2 sticks. Can you do it gradually? Absolutely. You could fly like an eagle, but the more you tilt, oh, the more it goes. Is this wicked or what? And while you're in the zoom, you don't have to zoom. You can come out to the 1x if you don't like the broad spectrum that's going on right now. I ended up going too high, but oh, I'm dropping altitude. I'm like an FPV drone right now. I guess this is the new features that's coming in the new FPV. When I tell you this thing is optimized, you need 2 sticks to do that. So now you can get some aerobatic aeroplane type movements, but you have to use 2 sticks, kind of like a real FPV drone. We're in normal mode. We'll come out of 4K. Let's go in 2.7K. We can zoom to 2x, and this one does 1 and 2x. Here we go. There you go, 1 and 2x. And the same thing if we go into 1080p now. We can go 2x. We can go 3x. Oh, I've got to raise the gimbal for this one. This one has some crazy zoom. We can go up to 4x zoom. Now you can definitely see the degradation in the quality here, but hey, you know, it's better than nothing. Now the difference with the hyperlapse, let's go to waypoints, in particular the waypoint hyperlapse, is that now check this out. You can set the different points. So let's set 1 point here for argument's sake. It says too small, but I'm not even gonna fly the hyperlapse. I just want to show you one huge advantage. Put a 2nd point. Camera rotation too large. Okay, now we have these 2 points, right? Now just at the top left, you see this little small box here? You just click on that box. Bam, there's your hyperlapse at the top there with number of waypoints too. Hit that and you can rename it so that you can find it in the future. Now you're thinking, why is this useful, right? Let's rename it. I'll name it something over here. Click save. Bam, once you click save, Now that's in your task library. You can always access it back. Why is that important? Because as long as you remember where you took off from, you can always go back to that same location, be it day or be it night, and run back the exact same hyperlapse, and you can get a hyperlapse like this. Before you initiate the hyperlapse, hit the 3 dots at the top right, and that allows you to select. If you go to camera, that allows you to select between 4K, 1080p, and 8K, and save it and come back and fly day or night. And hit the 3 dots here and make sure that you have bypass on and you have this side flight on. Your mode again should be in bypass with this toggle on, disabling sideways flight. What you're actually doing is not only blocking sideways flight, but you're blocking sideways flight and allowing the drone to fly sideways for you. I will initiate no sideways flight, so I cannot, doesn't matter if I move left or right, the drone will not move left or right. I can only move forward. So now I'm moving forward. Let's say I were to jam left by mistake now, bam, I'm going to that tree. Now I won't go into the tree. See, look, even though I'm fully left. Now they say they've optimized sports mode. Let's go right into sports mode, right? And so if you notice before, every time you go in sports mode and you start flying forward, your camera does this thing where it looks down. So like if you make an abrupt turn like this and you're in sports mode, I mean, it's not doing it now, which is good. And I know I would have gotten that, and I'm going like what, 41 miles an hour. I make an abrupt turn, there we go. Camera's not pitching, I'm at 0. See that? 0 on the screen on the camera. Look at that. It's not pitching anymore. It's not bobbing its head down anymore.
However, when flying with the camera angled up, it still forces the camera down to avoid getting the props in the shot. Every DJI drone does this.
And this one I'm going 30, 32, 33 miles an hour. That's pretty good. Spin around at 33 miles an hour. No bobbing, no weaving. I'm in sports mode. Wow, this is a major update because I know I'm at 40 miles an hour now, 41 miles an hour, and no bobbing on that gimbal. I'll spin around. Now that's a huge update. Last but not least is Active Track. They have improved Active Track to track vehicles at low altitude. So there's a vehicle going round and round here. We're just going to test it out. Nothing crazy. Follow this vehicle that's going round and round at low altitudes, and we're going to try and trace it, and I'll keep my eyes on the drone to make sure that it doesn't hit anything. So let's go back into Active Track, hit trace, and then let's see how close we can get. Active Track, trace, let's hit go. And there we go, we're tracing it. Let me hit record, might as well. Active Track, trace, go. Okay, it says too low. How low can I be? How high do I have to be? How about that? Can that work? Let's hit go. Too low. How about now? Can I hit go? There we go. Now I can trace you. So let's see if it's gonna do a better job. Not bad. It's tracing. It's holding up. All right, I know it's gonna make a turn soon. So I've got to watch for the trees. Please don't hit a tree or anything. Whoa, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Watch out for that pole, 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 watch out for that bird. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see if we're going to lose Active Track. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Not bad. Not bad, Mavic Air 2. Not bad. So, well, there you see it. You have it for yourself. Let's hit stop. That was pretty nice. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful and I was able to show you exactly, practically, like real time what this thing can do thanks to the new updates, especially that FPV mode. It's exciting. I mean, everything there is just exciting. They have just transformed this drone, upgraded this drone, and that just shows you the power of software. Hit thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified when I release these kind of videos. All right, with that being said, share this video with anyone who you know flies the Mavic Air 2 or any DJI drone for that matter. With that being said, I will catch you guys whenever I can. Big shout out to Autonomous Drone Services and madmixtube.com for providing us with the equipment to make these videos possible. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.